Hello, dear students. Today we will start with our new topic of GK. The first topic is food technology. First, this was the first process invented to help milk stay fresh longer. It destroyed most harmful microbes by the process of heating, followed by sudden cooling. The answer is pasteurization. Second, we all know how Tetra Pak packs help in keeping food fresh. However, Tetra Pak is actually the name of a company that produces such packaging. What is this kind of packaging called? Answer is aseptic. Third, what is the process used to preserve and transport perishable items called where the water in the items is completely frozen off? The answer is freeze drying. Fourth, what metal is the foil used to wrap food made of? The answer is aluminium. Fifth, what is the process during which selected bacteria are allowed to act on food or drink, changing taste but allowing it to stay edible for longer? The answer is fermentation. Next, what is the process of preserving foodstuff by immersing it in solid liquids like vinegar called? The answer is pickling. Seventh, what kind of bacteria might infect meat that has not been stored or cooked properly? The answer is Salmonella. Eighth, which now common kitchen appliance heats food by rotating the molecules in it? The answer is microwave oven. Our next topic is Battlefield Brigade. First, this small town in Haryana has seen not one, not two, but three historic battles in 1526, 1556, and 1761. The answer is Panipat. Second, a village on the banks of river Bhagirathi in Nadia district in West Bengal. This battlefield saw the beginning of the British Empire in India. The answer is Palashi. Third, a man named Philippus ran 40 kilometers from the battlefield to Athens to give the news of Greek victory over Persia. This was after he had run 240 kilometers over the two previous days. The answer is marathon. Fourth, this is where the great army of Xerxes, first comprising over 2 lakh men, was held off by just 7,000 Greek soldiers, including 300 Spartans. The answer is Thermopylae. Fifth, a battlefield on the high seas. This is where Napoleon Bonaparte was brought to his knees. The great general Horatio Nelson died in battle here. The answer is Trafalgar. Sixth, one of the most important battles of World War II was fought here. It was also one of the most brutal, lasting 5 months, 1 week, and 3 days. The answer is Stalingrad. Next, we have is trading trials. First, roughly 6,000 kilometers long, this trade route between the Chinese and the Roman empires was one of the first to link the eastern and the western worlds. Marco Polo traveled via this route. The answer is Silk Road. Second, although it is a highway now, this route has existed for 2.5 millennia, joining Chittagong in Bangladesh to Kabul in Afghanistan. The answer is Grand Trunk Road. Next, one of the most valued items in Europe in the Middle Ages had to do with flavoring food. A sea route developed to help this trade, joining European centers to the Indian subcontinents and Southeast Asia. The answer is spice route. Fourth, a Bronze Age route that joined Egypt to Iran, Iraq, Israel, Turkey, and Syria. The name of this trade route means the way of the sea. The answer is Via Maris. Fifth, joining West and North Africa from the 4th century CE onwards, this trade route, mostly traversed on camelback, went across the world's largest hot desert. The answer is Trans-Saharan route. Last, this trade route would wound its way down from the mountainous regions of southwest China to Bengal through Tibet and Burma. The answer is Tea Horse Road. So students, here we complete our topic. Thank you.